Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's wishing you all a fantabulous 2018. This video, I'm actually showing you guys how I take care of my pitted dark circles. Well, they're hereditary, so it takes a little bit of effort, but trust me, these products that are easily available in your kitchen can make a huge difference. So keep watching the video to know how you can cure your dark circles. One of the key ingredients to make this DIY eye mask is definitely coffee. Now, coffee is super rich in caffeine and it will actually reduce puffiness under your eyes. And trust me, if you use this pack in the morning, you're going to see a huge difference. Now, coffee is something that is easily available in our kitchens. It's inexpensive and its antioxidant properties are really going to make a hell lot of a difference if you've got crazy dark circles, or you've had a hectic day and not enough sleep, which is why your eyes are feeling tired. All you need is a little bit of coffee, and if your coffee is not as fine as mine, then you can just very gently use a spoon to kind of grind it a little bit or crush it. Or if you have a grinder, crusher, etc., you can use that too if you want to kind of make it super powdery. Now all you need to do next is kind of mix that in almond oil. Now we all know that almond oil is super amazing for our skin, but did you know that even under the eyes, almond oil, if applied regularly, can make a huge difference? Going ahead, I'm going to add a little bit of rose water into this mixture that I have made. Rose water is one of my favorite ingredients when it comes to taking care of my skin, and for under eyes too, it works like magic. Mix them all together and you're ready to go. Leave it on for about 15 minutes and then wash it off. Use your under eye cream if you're using this in the night or day, because that will help supple the area and add extra moisture and curb those puffiness, wrinkles and dark circles. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, you guys know what to do. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.